Guess what I've made? I've made this. This looks like an easel, you know, the stand they people use to draw on or paint on. It looks like that, but it is a phone holder. I've made this out of ice cream sticks, and I've just used some strings and strengthened it by using super glue and stuck it all together, and now it is a phone stand. One more thing that I made is, no, I did not make the Gara. It's the figurine that I got from my friend, and what I've made is a stand for Gara to stand on, because you know it's wobbly and not really stable to stand on anything. So I've used super glue and stuck some bottle caps, plastic bottle caps underneath, so that he can stand easily.